Hi Jason and Sam, happy 4 months sa inyong dalawa. Stay strong, God bless, bye!
Happy Mansari Best. Be strong always, okay? Sana kayo na forever. So, good luck and happy Mansari again. Keep up the good work.
Jason, happy 4-month anniversary for both of you. I wish that your relationship will long last. Just always loving each other. Keep praying as always. And you both guys will see you soon. Bye.
Hello, Sisi Sam. Happy 4th anniversary sa'yo at sa Idol Jason. Sana kayo na ang forever.
Hi, Sam and Jason. Happy 4th Mansari. Enjoy lang. Sana kayo ng forever.
Para nga pala sa inyo, sa magkasintahan at magsigiro, na si Sam at si Jason. Happy 4th Mansari sa inyo. Nasa inyong suporta ko.
Patiin ng Happy Mansari kina Sam at Jason. Happy Mansari sa inyong dalawa. Stay strong, stay in love, stay happy, huwag papaapekto sa ibang tao, huwag papaapekto sa mga naririnig. Happy Mansari.
Happy 4th month's anniversary, both of you. Always be happy and then be strong. God will be always bless you and guide you.
Happy Mansari. Sam and Jason, be strong lang for your relationship. Happy Mansari ulit.
Jason and Sam, happy 4th Mansari. I wish you all the best. Good luck. At sana, kayo na yung forever.
Hi, Jason and Sam. Happy 4th Mansari sa inyong dalawa. God bless and stay strong. Bye!
Thanks sa lahat ng mga nag-send sa akin ng mga video. Maraming salamat sa inyo para magawa ko tong video na to. And happy 4th Mansari man. Sana maging mas matatag pa yung relationship natin. Happy lang sana tayo lagi. I love you and tiwala lang sa isa't isa. I love you. Sana walang mag-report.